Today I'm opening a mystery fidget package. I'm super excited to open it. I have no idea what's inside of it, so let's hope we'll find some cool fidgets and poppets.
On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video.
So right here is the package that I'll be unboxing. Look at it, it's stuffed with fidget toys. I got my handy dandy scissors and let's unpackage. Okay guys, so here's what came inside that bag. Look at this, is a cute little drawstring bag, and look, it has a little cute popular bear. Okay, so let's open this up. I can already see the poppets and fidgets inside. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of these fidgets. I cannot wait to review all this. Okay, so it comes with it comes with 4 poppets. Look at this tie-dye poppet bracelet. You guys, I'm literally shook. This package came with so many fidget toys. Okay, so let's start by unboxing this huge poppet purse. Oh my gosh. Look, you guys, look how big this thing is. And it has this cute little tiara on top. Guys, I'm in love with these cute little bright and dark colors. Here is the strap that comes with the poppet bag, and you can like attach it. So let me try to do that real quick. Oh, you guys, I can't attach it because you can see right there that it's blocked. So I'm not going to attach it. But you guys, I'm literally just obsessed with these colors. Like, these people chose some amazing, like, colors. I'm going to open up all the fidgets with this plastic bag around it. And then I will start reviewing the fidgets. I'm unboxing the mochis. And look, this is like Dumbo with the elephant. And look, its little ear got stuck. You guys, I don't even know how to get it out. I don't want to rip its ear. You guys, I did it, but look, it has that little smushed ear. You guys, that's so funny. Look, one ear is like pretty good, and the next is like, it's like this ear melted or something, but it's still really cute. Okay, guys, so here are all the fidgets that the package came with. And you guys, there are so many. I counted and told that there were 13. So I cannot wait to review these. I think I'm going to start off with these mochis because they're literally adorable. So you guys, I just want to start off by, I literally don't even have these mochis. Like, these are so rare. A freaking unicorn, and this one is so squishy. I feel like this one is much squishier than this mochi, but this one I feel like is like cuter. I just love the white color. I have like barely any mochis that are just white. So I'm gonna rate these mochis definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, literally, they're so cute. I have these acupuncture rings. Oh, and they kind of look like my rings right now, so. Oh, these are actually pretty good. Some good quality acupuncture rings. I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10 just because like acupuncture rings aren't my favorite fidgets, but these are very nice. Ooh, and here are all of the monkey noodles. Look at them. There's 4 in different colors. Okay, these are very stretchy. These could literally stretch to the moon.
These are some basic colors, but monkey noodles are always fun to play with.
I think my favorite monkey noodle out of these 4 is probably this yellow one. It's so neon. And I love the texture. This texture, it doesn't have a residue. Okay, guys, watch this, watch this. Definitely rate these ones a 10 out of 10. And look, you can even make like a Twizzler if you like just twist this. See how cool, look how pretty that looks. Looks like those candies. Nom, nom, nom. Next is this very unique marble mesh. Like, these colors are so rare. It's like a yellow and orangish pink color. Actually a big fan of marble meshes. So this one is going to be rated an 8 out of 10. And these are just very fun to fidget with. You can take them to like anywhere, like to school, because they make no noise. And now I'll be reviewing all of these cool, amazing poppets. You guys, these are definitely my favorite fidgets, of course. So first I'll start off with this cool poppet bracelet. Look at this. I love the tie-dye colors. Like, I have so many poppet bracelets, but I do not have like these colors all combined. Let's test out these pops. Whoa, did you guys hear those clicks? They were, chef's kiss. You guys, this is such an iconic bracelet. The pops are good on both sides. Like, do you know how good that is for a bracelet? Okay, now that is definitely like a 12 out of 10 for me. Now let's just put this on my arm, and I can even wear it for the rest of the video. You guys, look how lovely. Okay, I have to say, this is a bit big, but it's still an amazing poppet. Okay, next I have this mini poppet. Ooh, I love the cute little flower shape. It's like a mini flower. I don't have this poppet, so let's see. Whoa, these are some pretty good pops. I have to say, this side is not like super good, so I'll rate it an 8 out of 10. But I'm obsessed with these colors. Okay, and now it's this like this bag little mini purse poppet. You guys, these are like one of my favorite poppets. I don't have one of these yet. And okay, let's just appreciate all these colors. Like, do you know how pretty these pastels are? And look, you can just put this mini poppet inside and literally zip it up. Like, you can even put in some money and like nobody's ever gonna know because it's a poppet. They're gonna think that it's just a fidget. Okay, you guys, let's test out these pops. Oh, look, I haven't even noticed. There's like these cool little Easter egg engravings or something. Okay, yeah, this side is not the best, but ooh, you can even pop it on the inside. I feel like this is kind of hard to pop, but I just love the idea of a Poppet bracelet. Oh, you guys, you can even pop the ears. Oh my gosh, that is super kawaii. Okay, I'm gonna have to rate this one a 9 out of 10. Next up is this giant purse pop. Like, this is like a bag pop. It's not even a purse, it's a bag. Do you guys see this? It is absolutely amazing. Okay, the only thing that I do have to say is like, it'd be better if like this was like popped out so I could have like attached it. Let's just move this to the side because I need some room for this queen. Yes, okay, it literally has a crown, so it is a queen or a princess. Okay, let's test this. What? You guys, how does this have such good pops on this side? Okay, let's see. Ooh, this side? Look, it's kind of hard to pop them if that's the only problem with this. But I love the colors. It kind of matches with like the queen vibe and like the princess. The pops are actually better than like any of these poppets. But you guys, who doesn't love the iconic purse poppet with these super cool band? So you guys, I am gonna rate this one like 100 out of 10. I'm just obsessed with purse poppets. I can literally carry this. Okay, so I can like put this poppet inside of this, close it, and then put this poppet purse inside of this giant poppet purse. And I can also put in the strands rubber band thing. And then I can just zip it up. And you guys, I have my own purse poppet. Like, I can just carry it by the tiara. So overall, I would highly recommend this fidget package. These fidgets were absolutely stunning. Make sure to check out the link down below in the description box if you guys want to also receive a package just like this. Literally love the tie-dye and like the princess theme of this whole fidget package. Comment down below some names for these cuties. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys.